Here is a quick room tour of Carnival Horizon 9202. This forward-facing stateroom is really interesting as the bed is on this wall. Again, two bureaus, as we see in a lot of these staterooms. Shelving units, corner shelving units, which I love. Your cooler refrigerator, the two side table lamps and side tables, and one of my favorite things about this room is your forward-facing view. Just such a cool opportunity to look out onto the ocean. You've got your TV, a little table desk, chair, and then of course your standard Carnival bathroom. Shower, toilet, and sink. So that's another little quick room tour as we're walking around the ship. One of the coolest features of room 9202 is that it's right next to this, what we call the secret forward deck. Now, it's not really so secret, but many cruisers don't realize that this deck exists. And so that window we were just looking through, it's out right here. And you have this entire forward deck where you can come out and you can enjoy the views of Miami or whatever beautiful port that you are setting sail to.